Welcome to my YouTube channel Railway Mechanical Info. I am BK Datta. One of my subscriber has asked me about LHB bogie assembly in English. And if you are a new visitor in my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more latest information. Let's start today's topic. All you needed to know that what is LHB and Fiat bogie. This body called LHB from German Link Hoffmann Busch, and this is Fiat bogie, Fabbrica Italiano Automobili Terreno. This bogie coming from Switzerland. These coaches consist by 2 Fiat bogie and 1 LHB body made for 1 coaches. It is provided by air twin pipe air brake system and AAR H type CBC type. Now I will coming LHB bogie frame. This is LHB bogie frame, Fiat bogie. This bogie provided by 1 primary suspension and 2 secondary suspension. 2 type of secondary suspension used in Indian Railway. 1 Nest coil helical system secondary suspension bolster spring, and 1 is hair spring system in bolster suspension spring. This is Y shape bogie frame. This is Y shape bogie frame. This wheel is forged wheel, newly dia 915 mm and condemning dia 845 mm. Used Curtis taper roller bearing. 4 type of bearing cover used in Indian Railway LHB coaches. Number 1, earthing attached with body and bogie. Number 2, axle box cover is normal. No any connection from here bogie and body. Number 3, axle box cover. This is fitted speed sensor for WSP system, wheel slide protection system, and dub valve system for avoid brake bending tendency. And number 4, axle box cover will be also same 3 and 4. Samely opposite side 5 earthing axle box cover, 6 normal, 7 for speed sensor and WSP system connected, and 8 same will be WSP system connected and speed sensor connected and dump valve connection. This is primary section, nest coil type spring, bogie frame assembly, side frame, upper coil spring seat, lower coil spring seat with crown and axle arm guard, and 1 vertical damper. This bogie consists with fully vertical damper and coil spring area suspension system. Vertical damper used for vertically shock absorb, and this is axle guard lock. Axle arm shock absorb for braking force and load transmission. Now I am coming from in bolster system. There is nest coil system bolster. This is bolster. This is suspension system, vertical observe, vertical shock absorb or vertical shock absorb. This is called yaw damper for bogie body side to side move. This is called side bearer 1 and 2 provided by bolster 2 side. For for CBC height controlling. This pad used for CBC height control. Now it is one bogie, two primary suspension and one secondary suspension. Consist by 4 vertical damper for primary suspension and 2 vertical damper for secondary suspension and 2 yaw damper for secondary suspension, one bogie, and one lateral damper used inside in the bogie. You seen this is lateral damper in bogie. One bogie provide one lateral damper. This is called seamless beam provided by traction panel one end and other end in one bogie. This is called traction center. This will be consist with one anchor link and diagonally second anchor link with same condition. Second anchor link. Middle portion of this position is traction center. This is anti-roll bar system. This is called anti-roll bar and connected with one link, and this is one link. This is total unit is called rocker device. This function will be when the train moving, the pivot provided by this portion, the bogie and bogie move supporting this device. This position is gap load position for coaches. How much load in coach position is located this gap in this time load position. This is brake block system, and this nut is called the caliper nut. There is a brake cylinder consist provide by 10 inches. This is mm by 255 mm. This is brake block system and brake pad. It is brake pad 35 mm newly and 10 mm condemning. This is called caliper pin, anti-clockwise tight and clockwise turning for releasing. This is disc brake 640 mm for LHB. This is called axle mounted airbag system brake power system. This is for short about video for LHB bogie frame. I hope then all are you understand this video. So please subscribe my channel and give like and wait for next video. Thank you for watching my video and have a good day.